I can still stop the machine, Your Highness.
No. Go.
He's doomed, isn't he?
Yes,
At last.
and I forbid you to gloat.
And seeing your enemy perish, why not?
Beckett is my enemy, and I am forced to fight him and to crush him. But at least he gave me, with open hands, everything that is at all good in me. And you have never given me anything but your carping mediocrity and your everlasting obsession with your puny little person and what you thought was due to it. That is why I permitted you to smile as he lies dying.
I gave you my youth. I gave you your children.
I don't like my children! And as for your youth, madam, that withered flower, pressed between the pages of a hymn book since you were 12 years old, with its watery blood and stale, insipid scent, you can say farewell to that without a tear. Your body, madam, was an empty desert which duty forced me to wander in alone. You have never been a wife to me, and Beckett was my friend, red-blooded, generous, and full of strength. Oh, my